In my organization, they used to talk, they used to mock at me because of this baldness. Once they fix it, let me show who is Vimal Raj. Hi, I am Vimal Raj. I am working as a president marketing in a prestigious organization. You will have to undergo a lot of things. So I was just concentrating only on those things. I was not at all taking care of about myself and especially my hair. So suddenly it started falling heavily. Some people they said you must have a good sleep and all that. Also I have tried, of course, but nothing has worked out. But finally, I saw an advertisement, Max Hair Clinic. So really, I wanted to come and have a look. I met them. I met the consultants here. See, actually, the consultants, they really explained me really good. Taken up this in a clear way, understood. So they have taken the measurement and all, and they have done a very good work. And see, in another half an hour or 45 minutes, I think things will be made, and they'll be fixing my hair. And now the time has come for me. See, actually, I would like to share with you also. In my organization, they used to talk, they used to mock at me because of this baldness. I used to hear it. I just hear it and just leave it. But internally, I used to have a feeling. But now, these people are going to, I saw the models and all those things there, whatever they have kept it. Once they fix it, let me show who is Vimal Raj. I'll be really happy. I'll be getting my life back again. I told you, after fixing my hair, I will come and talk to you all. See how I am looking like. So 22 years reduced for me. You know that? In fact, now I will go to my organization office and whomever they have mocked at me, I will show them who I am. Different man Vimal Raj now. Okay? Hello Anand. எப்படி இருக்கேன் சொல்லு. யங் விமல் தான் ஆபீஸ்ல போய் என்ன கலாட்டா விட்டாங்கல்ல, சொட்டை கிட்டன்லாம் சொன்னாங்கல்ல, அதை பாரு இன்னிலேருந்து எப்படி பண்றேன் பாரு. நாங்க மேக்ஸ் ஹேர் கிளினிக் தான் என்ன கலக்க வச்சாங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Bye.
How is it? You like this look?
Shailaja madam, I should really thank you very much. See, you only suggested me to go for the treatment and the hair fixing also. And really amazing. My age has reduced by 22 years.
Oh,
In fact, I look like my son who is at Melbourne. I resemble
that's
like
nice
him
to
only.
hear, sir.
Thank you, Shailaja madam. I am enthusiastic. My energized. I am surging with energy now because of the hairs which has come for me. I really should thank all the entire team of Max Hair Clinic, madam. But can I sleep by keeping this on my head and can I sleep?
Yes, of course. So you can just continue with your routine actually. So you don't have to worry about it.
One more doubt is, can I take bath?
Yes, of course, sir. Every day also you can do it. Because the adhesives are, like it's all the waterproof tape actually. So you don't have to worry about it.
It's really a boon for all the bald people like me, we can regain our the old young life again.
Yes.
And one more thing, madam, when I'm going in two-wheeler car and all, whether it will have any whether it will fly or something.
Definitely not, sir. Definitely. You can just, wear a scarf.
I have doubts because I'm excited. When I got this, I should ask all these doubts so that I can go more confidently. That's why, madam, I'm asking.
I understand, sir. So nothing as such. I mean, like when you're driving a two-wheeler, like you can just tie a scarf, wear your helmet, and you can always.
Very nice,
Okay,
madam.
so
Very
I mean,
nice, madam.
there's no such restrictions at all. Just continue with your regular lifestyle.
Can I change my hairstyle this way, that way, and all?
Yes, of course. You can try different hairstyles. You can try. Yes.
So really, it is a real boon.
So it's my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Thank
madam.
you so much.